Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic terms of credit. Okay. In earlier videos, we discussed about the meaning, then forms of money, what is water system, okay, and what was the demerits of water system, and after invention of money, what was the changes in the economy. Then we talk about the loan activities. Okay. Now we will talk terms of credit. Terms means if anybody is taking loan credit, then there is some terms, conditions. Okay, on the basis of that the lender will give credit to the person, or we can say if a person is borrowing money, then there are some condition that should be fulfilled by the borrower, then on the basis of that the lender will give loan to the person. Okay, so every loan agreement specify an interest rate, means there is interest rate on the loan which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. If a person is taking loan, then he have to pay rate of interest with the principal. Okay, principal means if he has taken loan of 1 lakh or 1000, then whatever rate of interest decided between them, with along with that rate of interest he have to repay principal money also. In addition, lender may demand collateral security against loan. Collateral means security only. So if a person is taking loan, so the lender may demand security against the loan. And what type of security? Security can be in form of land, means the lender can ask to give him his land paper, building paper, vehicle paper, livestock, deposit with the bank, and use this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. So he will use all these as a guarantee, and if the borrower is not able to repay the money, then lender have the right to sell this security. Okay, if the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the assets or collateral to obtain payment. Now if person or borrower who has taken loan, he failed to repay the loan, then what lender will do? He has the right to sell the assets, because he is having his house paper, land paper, or car, or whatever security he has deposit with the lender. So the money is not repaid by the borrower, then the lender has the right to sell the asset to obtain payment, and by selling that asset he can get his money. Property such as land, tiles, deposit with bank, livestock are some common example of collateral used for borrowing. So property, in property we can include land, जमीन means किसी की घर, वो सारी चीज़ें जो डिपॉजिट है उनका बैंक में, वो सारी चीज़ें, और गोल्ड को भी इसमें इंक्लूड किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, एज ए सिक्योरिटी कुछ लोग गोल्ड को एज ए सिक्योरिटी रख देते हैं और उसके बदले पैसे ले लेते हैं यूज़ के लिए. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर यूज्ड फॉर बोरोइंग. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ हाउस लोन. Mega has taken a loan of 5 lakh from bank to purchase a house. Mega has taken loan of 5 lakh rupees from bank to purchase a house. The annual interest rate on the loan is 12%. जो annual interest rate है that is 12%, and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years in monthly installment. Means she has taken 5 lakh rupees loan on the house, and she has to pay 12% rate of interest, and loan will be repaid in 10 year in monthly installment. Means there will be monthly some installment like of 2000, 5000 rupees. Mega has to submit the bank document showing her employment record and salary before the bank agree to give her the loan. अब बैंक किसी को ऐसे तो लोन दे नहीं देता है, जैसे कि हम जाके कहें हमें लोन चाहिए जी, लोन दे दो, तो बैंक will not give any loan. उसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? बैंक will demand any security, will ask for the security. Okay, so Mega submit her bank submit to the bank document showing her employment. She is working woman, so she show her salary statement to the bank, and on the basis of that bank give loan to the Megha, because bank know that by her salary statement that if she will not be able to repay the loan, then bank will take her salary directly. The bank retain as collateral the paper of new house, which will be returned to Megha only when she repay the entire loan with the interest. And bank also keep her paper of new house, and the bank will return this paper only when she will be able to repay the loan with interest. If she will not be able to repay the loan, then bank can also sell the house. Okay, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि नीलामी की गई एंड ऑल, तो जो लोग कुछ भी सिक्योरिटी रख के बैंक से पैसा ले लेते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू रिपे द लोन, देन bank have the right to sell that property, and by selling that property bank can get payment. Okay, so interest rate, collateral and documentation requirement and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called terms of credit. So we have started with the topic terms of credit, conditions of credit, or we can say loan. So interest rate, whatever the interest rate, collateral, security that is used as a guarantee, and documentation requirement, whatever document is required, because if we go to the bank and we ask for the loan, then simply bank will not be agreed to give the loan. There will be many documentation requirement. Okay, पेपर वर्क, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पेपर वर्क. तो बहुत सारे पेपर वर्क की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, कुछ गारंटी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, एज सिक्योरिटी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जो कि बैंक को सब कुछ शो करना होता है, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट बैंक एग्री टू गिव लोन. So all these together is called terms of credit. The terms of credit vary substantially from one credit agreement to another. जो टर्म ऑफ क्रेडिट है वो एक एग्रीमेंट से अनदर पे वेरी करती है, बिकॉज जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे SBI बैंक है, PNB है, HDFC है, all these bank have different, no doubt some things they have similar conditions, but rate of interest somewhere they have difference. Okay, and depositing of money on the loan also somewhere there is different in HDFC, SBI. Okay, so all this vary from credit to credit. They may vary depending on the nature of lender and the borrower. And the second thing that can, if we are taking loan from private or we can say individual, then that can also vary on the depending lender and the borrower. What is the nature of lender and the borrower? Someone have strict nature and they charge very high rate of interest, and some person give at a nominal rate of interest. So the next session will provide example of the varying term of credit in different agreements. Now we will discuss about 2-3 examples, and in that example we will came to know terms of credit that is different in different credit agreement, means type of loan is different and terms of credit conditions are also different. Okay, first Shamlal tell us that every season he need loan for cultivation on his 1.5 acre of land. Till a few years back he would borrow money from the village money lender at an interest rate of 5% per month. जो श्यामलाल है उसको अपने 1.5 एकड़ जो लैंड है उस पर कल्टीवेशन के लिए लोन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, और अभी कुछ साल पहले ही उसने लोन लिया मनी लैंडर से 5% रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे पर मंथ. फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स श्यामलाल हैज़ बीन बोरोइंग एन एग्रीकल्चर trader in the village at an interest rate of 3% per month. At the beginning of the cropping season, the trader supply the farm input on credit, which to be repaid when the crop are ready to harvest. तो स्टार्टिंग में वो उनको लोन देते हैं किसके लिए? इनपुट्स के लिए, जैसे सीड्स वगैरह के लिए एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स वगैरह के लिए, और जब फसल पक के रेडी हो जाती हैं देन लोन विल बी रीपेड. Beside the interest charge on the loan, the trader also make the farmer promise to sell the crop to him. अब जो trader है they also charge rate of interest, and along with the rate of interest trader promise the farmers to sell the crop to him only. Okay, this way the trader can ensure that the money is repaid properly. इस रास्ते से जो ट्रेडर है वो श्योर हो जाता है कि जो मेरा पैसा है वो वापस आ जाएगा. ऑल्सो सिंस द क्रॉप प्राइजेज आर लो आफ्टर द हार्वेस्ट, द ट्रेडर इज एबल टू मेक ए प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम बाइंग द क्रॉप एट ए लो प्राइस फ्रॉम द फार्मर एंड देन सेलिंग एट ए लेटर व्हेन द प्राइस हैज राइज. और जो ट्रेडर है, व्हाट ही डू, ही टेक क्रॉप फ्रॉम द फार्मर एट द लो प्राइस एंड व्हेन देयर इज हाइक इन प्राइस, rises in price, then he sell that at a high price in the market, so he earn profit. Okay, second example, we next meet Arun, who is supervising the work of one farm labor. Arun has 7 acres of land. He is one of few person in Sonpur to receive bank loan for cultivation. Means he is also taking loan for cultivation. The interest rate on the loan is 8.5% per annum. So जो rate of interest है that is 8.5% per annum and can be repaid any time in the next 3 years. So that loan that can be paid in the next 3 years. Arun plans to repay the loan after harvest by selling a part of the crop. So Arun how he plan to repay the loan, that after harvest by selling crop, a part of crop he will be able to repay. He then intend to store the rest of the potatoes in a cold storage and apply for a fresh loan from the bank against the cold storage receipt. So there is also provision that he will get the loan on the basis of cold storage receipts from the bank. The bank offer this facility to the farmer who have taken crop from them. So जो फार्मर बैंक है वो ये फैसिलिटी उन्हें फार्मर को देता है जो कि उनसे पहले से क्रॉप लोन जिन्होंने लिया होता है, पहले से जो ऑलरेडी क्रॉप ने जो फसल है उस पर लोन ले रखा है उसको ये फैसिलिटी देगा. जैसे पोटैटो की फसल कर रहा है अरुण एंड ही विल टेक a part of potato he will sell and other he will store in cold storage. So from where he will manage cold storage, he will take loan from the bank. The next case, Rama is working in neighboring field. She work as an agriculture labor. Rama is working in agriculture field and she work as a agriculture labor. Means एक जैसे हम कह सकते हैं कि जो दिहाड़ी वगैरह करते हैं लोग, ऐसे वो किसी के खेत में काम पे जाती है. There are several months in the year when Rama has no work. Obviously in agriculture field if we see there is seasonal work. If there is season of harvesting, then there is work, but after that there is no work. People remain free. Need credit to meet the daily expenses, but expenses are of daily. They are not seasonal. Expenses on sudden illness or function in the family are also met through loans. अब हर मतलब सडनली वी कैन से कोई बीमार हो गया फैमिली में या कोई फंक्शन आ गया तो उसके लिए भी उन लोगों को पैसा चाहिए, बट दे आर सीजनल लेबर्स, दे डोंट हैव वर्क after season. So how they meet their expenses, they used to take loan. Okay, Rama has to depend on her employee as a medium landowner in Sonpur for credit. So वो अपने जो लैंड ओनर है उन्हीं पे डिपेंड रहते हैं. मीन जिनके पास लैंड है, अच्छी खासी ज़मीन है, उन लोगों के पास पैसा है तो वो जो लेबर है उनको क्या पैसा दे देते हैं, किस पे, लोन पे, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करते हैं. द लैंड ओनर चार्ज एन इंटरेस्ट रेट ऑफ 5% पर मंथ. रामा रिपे द मनी बाय वर्किंग फॉर द लैंड ओनर. अब वो रिपे कैसे करेंगे, उनके खेत में काम करके. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम रामा हैज़ टू टेक ए फ्रेश लोन बिफोर द प्रीवियस लोन हैज़ बिन रिपेड. अब जो पहले वाला लोन है दैट इज़ नॉट रीपेड ओनली एंड बिफोर दैट दे नीड टू टेक फ्रेश लोन ऑल्सो. एट प्रेजेंट शी ओन द लैंड ओनर 5,000. Though the landowner does not treat her well, she continued to work for him since she can get loan from him when in need. Rama tells us that only source of credit for the landless people in Sonpur are the landowner employees. वो कहते हैं जो हमारे पास मतलब लोन लेने का जो सोर्स है वो लैंड ओनर ही है, क्योंकि लैंड ओनर के अलावा कोई पर्सन नहीं है जो उनको लोन दे सके. बिकॉज इफ दे वांट टू टेक लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक देन बैंक यूज टू डिमांड फॉर द सिक्योरिटी ऑल्सो. एंड लैंड ओनर गिव लोन टू द पीपल हु आर लैंडलेस एंड he used to take work in his field from them. Okay, so these we have discussed these three example. There are different agreement and different situation of loan. Then loan from the cooperatives beside bank, the major source of cheap credit in rural areas are cooperative societies. Okay, member of cooperative society pull their source for cooperation in certain areas. There are several type of cooperative possible such as farmer cooperatives, weaver फार्मर्स में जो फार्मर्स है वो मिलके बनाते हैं, वीवर्स मिलके कुछ लोग क्या है पैसा डालते रहते हैं, जो पैसा इकट्ठा हो गया वो किसी एक ने ले लिया, नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर नेक्स्ट पर्सन नीडी है उसने ले लिया। इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क वगैरह में भी कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी काम करती है। कृषक कोऑपरेटिव फंक्शन इन विलेज नॉट वेरी फॉर अवे फ्रॉम सोनपुर, इन इट हैज 2300 फार्मर एज मेंबर, इट accept deposit from its member. With these deposit as collateral, the cooperative has obtained a large loan from the bank. These fund are used to provide loan to the members. अब ये जो फंड जो वो इकट्ठा करते हैं वो किसके लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, जो उसके मेंबर बने होते हैं और उनको जो जरूरत पड़ती है लोन की तो उनको लोन दिया जाता है। वंस these loan are repaid, another round of lending can take place. So one time these loan are repaid, then other round start. कृषक कोऑपरेटिव प्रोवाइड लोन फॉर द परचेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इम्प्लीमेंट, लोन फॉर कल्टीवेशन, एग्रीकल्चर ट्रेड, फिशरी लोन, लोन फॉर construction of houses, for a variety of other expenses. If there is small scale type of industry, then there are many type of work for that people need loan. So cooperative society provide loan for multi-purpose work. Okay, so there is also in rural area provision of cooperative loan. Okay, so we have discussed different type of situation, and there is also different type of terms condition in loan agreement. Okay, so students, read the chapter from your book and also watch the video and read these conditions carefully. Try to understand. If you feel any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.